Okay, I am Rodney. Let's go. I can't do the dash slide. I do the dash on the air. I can get some level 13. More scorpions. More toss machines. More tanks. And some walk blasters. More Great job, Rodney. Oh. Level 14. Level 13 was defeated. Now it's level 14. Some more toss machines in combination with scorpions. Wow, those are really big spiders. And now more scorpion mini bosses. Now level 15 of Galaxy 1. They went to the 15th planet of this galaxy. Some more. There's spikes everywhere. Scorpions. There are also some cacti. Some more molars. It's time to fight Commando Man. Whoa! Now he's gonna fight my Commando Man. I am known to be one of Ratchet's first robots, or one of his most recent robots. But I'm the first one you'll fight with. Commando bomb. Jump. Charge shot. Wow. Wow. After a very long battle, get equipped with Commando Bomb. Sorry, a phone is ringing. Sorry if a phone. Nice job. Did. Wow, a gear. I'm gonna call Mr. Bigweld. Mr. Bigweld. Yeah, right. I found the gear. What can I use this? That's the gear that I need. Sending it to the Milky Way galaxy on planet Earth. It goes really quick. I think I ate something. Awesome job. Now let's see what's the next. Let's see which of the 8 main bosses is the one weak to the Commando Bomb. Let's see.